Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to get into a ton of Charlotte Tilbury products. So many that I can't actually hold them all in two hands, but I created this look today using all these products. So let's get started. First things first, let's start with some skin prep. So I'm using the Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer, followed with a foundation primer. I'm going to apply this all over my skin, and today's foundation is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation by Charlotte Tilbury. Stays all day and all night. And I'm going to apply this today using the MintPear Flat Top Kabuki brush. This will quickly blend this in for me and get that even, nice, beautiful airbrushed application. I'm going to take this all over my skin, and I'm going to make sure that I cover my ears and my neck. And then you want to take your foundation into your hairline, and this way you don't have any of those lines where things don't blend in. And you can see that this foundation, the color, the shade, looks a little bit lighter, but as you can see, once I blend this in, it's going to oxidize, and then it will become the exact shade that I need it to be. And then you'll notice how this foundation actually cancels out any of my redness. It's kind of magical how it works actually, because it will kind of blur all of those lines and any uneven skin tone. You'll just see those magically go away. It's pretty nice. And yes, I can attest to this foundation. It does last all day. I'm gonna finish the other side. Now for concealer under my eyes, I'm using Huda Beauty. This is the color corrector in Cherry Blossom, just 3 dots. I'm going to take the MintPear Stiff Shader. This is like a mini kabuki brush, but it works so well for underneath the eyes. This comes in the 7-piece set. And then for concealer, I'm going to use Huda Beauty. This is the Faux Filter Concealer. And I'm going to link all the shades and everything underneath in the description so that you can have it. And I will also try to link as many of these products as shoppable links in this video as well. This is the placement for my concealer. Again, I'm going in with that same little mini kabuki brush by MintPear. This is the stiff shader. And then for the bigger areas, I'll just use the larger kabuki brush. Now for setting under the eyes, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Cherry Blossom. And I will apply this with the MintPear Rounded Soft Blend Brush, which is also in the 7-piece set. And then for the rest of the face, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Pound Cake. And I'm using the large powder brush, which is from the 3-piece set from MintPear. This brush is great to apply setting powder because you can just get that large coverage really quickly. Anywhere that I wear foundation, my ears, my neck, I'm going to set that in place with powder. Now for bronzer, I'm reaching into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Italian Summer Face Palette. For my bronzer, I'm using a large MintPear powder brush. It's a different one than what I was using for the setting powder. And then I'm going to reach in and get the blush from this kit. And to apply my blush, I'm using the Precision Highlighter, which is in the 7-piece set. Now I'm going to go in with the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand. This is liquid blush, and I'm using the shade Pink Pop. I absolutely love this cute color. It's so great for summer and spring, and it's just the perfect pink. Now with that same flat top kabuki brush from MintPear, I'm going to blend that right in. And I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz Brow Pencil. And then I'm also going in with some Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. For eyeshadow, I'm using Nude Light palette from Huda Beauty, and you can see that bottom neutral color. I'm just going to pop that right into my crease, and then I'm going to take the lightest shade from that palette and just go right onto my brow bone and right into that inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to go back over to the Italian Summer and grab some of that highlighter, and I'm going to use the curved placement to get some of that highlight right there on the brow bone and also in that inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Kohl Liner, and I'm going to just apply this over my lash line. It's not even going to be perfect. I'm just going to get this on there because I'm going to go in and take the MintPear Soften and Smudge brush and actually blend that out. So I want this to look very natural. I don't want a harsh line, and that's the trick. And you can just pull that back and get a little natural wing as well. I will curl my lashes, and then we're going to go in with some Huda Beauty mascara. And now I'm so excited for the reveal. I'm using the lip liner and lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury in the new shade, Pillow Talk Fair. So for so long I have wanted to try this, and I always sample this at, the store, and it just doesn't look right. But she has released a fair version. So there's like medium and deep and fair. So this is the lip liner and the lipstick for fair skin, Pillow Talk Fair. And what I love about this lipstick is it's actually not matte. It's like a sheer, beautiful moisturizing color, and I am completely in awe and shocked by this beautiful pink combination. It is so gorgeous. I was like honestly shocked when I put this on, but look at this. It's so perfect. Gorgeous. Now, of course, do not forget the last step, which is so important. I'm going in with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is really a beautiful product. I highly recommend it to set your products in place. And now we have used all these products to create this look. And here you have it, the final and completed look. This is a glowy natural makeup look. I'm obsessed with this Pillow Talk Fair lipstick and liner. The first time that I've tried it is right now, and it's gorgeous. It could literally replace probably 80% of my pink lipsticks that I've tried to get to look like this. And then as far as just the way that the products feel, it's luxurious. Everything's very light, but it also feels very great on the face. It smells amazing. It's not too overwhelming. And I feel like just the look in general blends together very well. Very natural, which is what we want as we go into spring and summer. So if you have any questions about these products, leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.